Welcome back to another video, team. In today's video, we'll be discussing what an IPO is, which is short for Initial Public Offering. An IPO is the process by which a privately held company issues shares of stock to the public for the first time. This event marks a transition of a company being privately owned to being publicly traded on a stock exchange. It's important to note that IPOs can be risky for traders and investors because majority of the companies that go public are often young and unproven. Also, the stock may be subject to significant price volatility in the short term. This means the company may have significant volatility to start with due to hype or lack of knowledge. But later down the road, traders and investors start to realize that the company doesn't actually hold true value, which will end up causing the stock to crash. Although the event of an IPO is significant to a company, it's not as easy as it seems. An IPO is a very complex process that involves several steps. First, the company will hire an investment bank which will act as an underwriter. The underwriter's role is to assess the company's financial performance and potential for growth, and will also determine the appropriate price range for the shares being offered. Once the price range is determined by the underwriter, the company will then proceed to file a registration statement to the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is also known as the SEC. After the SEC reviews and approves this registration, the company can begin to market the IPO, which is typically done through a roadshow. At this roadshow, the company and the underwriters team will meet with institutional investors and fund managers to pitch the company and its financials. It's a big step for a company to go public as it can bring significant benefits, such as access to capital, increased visibility, and liquidity for its shareholders. However, it comes with a great form of risk and requires careful consideration. So make sure if you do want to trade an IPO, you do a significant amount of research before taking action. With that being said, if you have any further questions, please reach out to us through our questions channel in the Discord server.